Today, we dive into the technologies reshaping our world faster than ever before. Welcome to our channel, Digital Global Insights. It began quietly. In the back rooms of labs, in the hum of servers, a few lines of code started talking to each other. No one noticed. No one predicted that these silent conversations would one day reshape the entire world.
By 2026, humanity will no longer just witness the future. It will live it. Streets, offices, and homes, all connected in ways once only dreamed of in science fiction. Our lives, our choices, even our thoughts were being guided by a network we could neither see nor fully understand. AI, quantum computing, robotics, and 6G will be converging faster than any one nation or corporation will be able to control. A silent revolution will begin, invisible to the naked eye, but visible in the way our cities will move, our factories will hum, and our data will flow.
Artificial intelligence will no longer be a distant idea.
It will become a system that can think, learn, and sometimes even make decisions better than humans. From trading floors in New York to automated warehouses in Shenzhen, AI was silently orchestrating the heartbeat of the global economy.
In factories, robotic arms will work with a precision humans could never match, assembling cars, electronics, even advanced medical devices. Supply chains were no longer managed by humans alone. AI will predict demand, reroute shipments, optimize energy, even monitored worker safety with near-perfect accuracy.
But as AI grew smarter, questions began to emerge. Who was really in control?
Could humans intervene if a system made a decision that affected millions? In boardrooms and think tanks, debates raged. Faye, how much autonomy should a machine have? Could ethics be coded?
Some call it a revolution, a new era where humans and machines worked side by side to create efficiency and prosperity. Others will whisper of a silent takeover, where algorithms, unseen and unchallenged, made decisions that shaped lives without human consent.
By 2026, the line between creator and creation will blur. Humanity had to confront a question it had long ignored. Are we still in control of the intelligence we created to know it? Or have we become part of its experiment?
Across the globe, AI was reshaping jobs, economies, and even identities. Gig workers were replaced by autonomous systems, doctors guided by AI in surgery, teachers experimenting with AI tutors, and everywhere, data followed every choice, every move, every thought, silently learning, predicting, adapting. Some humans will embrace it, marveling at the possibilities. Others will fear it, wondering if they were giving away their autonomy, their privacy, even their humanity.
In 2026, this debate will no longer be philosophical priel. It will be real, felt in every street, every office, every home.
And yet, through all the tension, one thing became clear. AI will be here to stay.
And humanity's future will depend on how wisely we choose to coexist with the intelligence we had unleashed.